English listening practice. Passage 5. A powerful 7.9 magnitude earthquake epicentered near Kathmandu ripped through the upper part of the South Asian peninsula on Saturday, rattling the landscape from Myanmar to Punjab, leaving more than 2,000 in Nepal alone, flattening cities and towns. As rescue operations, mostly aided by Indian armed forces, were mounted in the Himalayan foothills, the toll in India rose to more than 50.880 km from the resort town of Pokhara and about 200 km west of Kathmandu. Was the worst hit by the earthquake in Nepal since 1934. Earthquake was shallow, meaning close to the surface of the earth, making it deadlier than those which convulse the earth deeper down. The tumbler began rumbling across the densely populated Kathmandu valley around noon before spreading towards the Himalayan, Tibet, northern and eastern India, Bangladesh, and eastern Pakistan. No casualties were reported from Myanmar and Bhutan. The Himalayan tectonics underneath are really wreathing. Aftershocks, a misnomer twisted Nepalese writer Kamakmani Dixit. Fear has gripped Kathmandu and people are all out in the streets and open areas for fear of another. It is dark and chilly with no power. Rather, total blackout, no gas and water supply, said the Himalayan Times editorial advisor.